So what we have here is a 1996 BMW E36. The typical eBay strut mount, and the coilover was installed, and the right side was making a lot of creaking noise. Researching eBay didn't provide me any kind of parts list, neither did the question to the manufacturer. I knew something was wrong, and searching YouTube for an answers were not really forthcoming. Everybody suspected the bearing to be at fault, but taking it apart, it's not the bearing. I think this is the issue here. The upper strut mount is okay. The upper spring seat is what wore out. This is the section where it's supposed to go onto the spline shaft of the strut, and this notch supposed to make it stop from turning, but I think it's not. I think this is faulty manufacturing, and with no parts list, I have no idea how to order another upper spring mount like this. Everybody suspected the problem to be there in that pillow ball mount, but the noise isn't coming from there. The noise is definitely coming from here. The spring is turning because this mount is turning. It's supposed to be stopped from turning by this notch on the spline shaft. But this notch is either not correct, not deep enough, or just badly manufactured, or the material was too soft and it wore out. When you install these coilovers, they come fully assembled, so there's nothing to do, just put them in place. I didn't take it apart, I didn't pull them apart at all, just installed them, set the camber, took it to wheel alignment, and was done. So now the issue is to find an upper spring seat. So if you have a creaking noise, especially if it's only from one side, this is what you need to suspect, and I'm gonna try and search for a solution. Don't know what it's gonna be yet, but this definitely took a beating in that little 50 mile or so what we drove with the car. But the noise was just not going away, and it was really weird. So yeah, we pulled it apart, and the research didn't show us anything on YouTube, and I think we found the issue. So good luck, but we know it's a manufacturing defect now. It's not an assembly error. It's not our car. It's just the quality of the item is very weak. Thank you for watching, and hope we find a solution, and I will be able to post it on YouTube. Bye.